The Inside brand is 100% made in Italy, and we're carrying different types of hair care products, which we have shampoo, conditioner, and hair mask. The products are specifically designed for different types of hair, which is we have for dry hair, oily hair, damaged hair, and also for frizzy hair as well. For the dry hair shampoo, we have sweet almond oil, Ilipi butter, and organic oat extract. For the daily use, it has rice bran oil, it has Ilipi butter, and olive oil. For the damaged hair, it has argan oil, apricot, and wheat germ. The benefits that you can get from Inside is it is 100% organic extract, SLS, SLES-free, paraben-free, petrolatum-free, colorant-free, and sodium chloride-free. You can find Inside products across the UAE in Boots Pharmacy and lifestyle stores.